Now it's time to remove our makeup. First, wash our hands. Kasi aalisin natin yung makeup natin. With this. Ayan. Masamatahin mo na rin yung mukha mo. Yan. Eyes. Yan. Out. Pataas. Then, alisin natin ang tissue. Itong pininas nyo dito sa kabila, iba naman. Para malinis. Yan. Look. See? Kasi nag-makeup tayo eh. So. And then, wash our face. This is what I used. Facial wash. Konti lang. This much. Yan. Wet it. Konti lang yan, pero look. Masamasahin mo ng mukha mo. Yan. Moji. I use